Why should I check my thermostat before requesting service? Checking your thermostat first can quickly reveal simple settings or power problems that may be causing your heating or cooling issue. A thermostat tells your heating and cooling system when to turn on, so a small setting mistake can make the whole system seem broken. First, check that the display is on and has not gone blank, because a blank screen may mean dead batteries, a tripped circuit breaker, or a loose connection. Next, make sure the system is set to the correct mode, such as cooling when you want air conditioning or heating when you want warmth. Check the temperature setting too, and set it several degrees away from the current room temperature so the system has a clear reason to start. Look at the fan setting and choose automatic if you want the fan to run only during a heating or cooling cycle. If the thermostat was recently changed, wait a few minutes because many systems include a built-in delay that protects the equipment from turning on and off too quickly. A surprisingly common problem is placing a lamp, television, or other heat-producing object near the thermostat, which can make it sense a warmer temperature than the rest of the room. After checking these items, replace weak batteries if needed and write down what you observed before requesting service. One common mistake is changing the temperature repeatedly, which can make it harder to tell whether the system is responding, so wait several minutes after one adjustment. Another mistake is assuming a blank thermostat always means the equipment has failed, when batteries or a circuit breaker may be responsible, so check both safely. Also, do not remove the thermostat cover or touch wiring unless you are trained, because you could damage the system or receive an electric shock. Contact a qualified technician instead. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.